Well, good morning. So, I got a 100 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke. And I'm going to sell it as is. This is the power head. It's really not missing anything. It came to me kind of in pieces. So, one of the things that it had was it needs a new port side head. Because the cams are missing. I do have the cam gear, but I don't have the cams. I don't know where or what happened to them. This engine is like, I can't really find a whole lot that's missing except for that port side head. You know, it's got all the electronics on it. You know, it's got all the coil packs, starter, carbs, lower unit, midsection, cowling. So I'm just going to try to do some pictures of this. But it's in really good shape. Not sure why they let it go, you know, or what they did. But if I tilt this back, and I can take the port side heads off. Hang on. But that's the cams. That's the port side. This one looks pretty good, but I mean, it does, like, some of the valves obviously maybe need to be cleaned up a little bit. I mean, they really don't look bad to me. I mean, they really look like they're almost seated good too. But it's hard to say. So on the pistons look really good actually. And I kept a little oil in them. Let me get a flashlight, maybe help with seeing. Flashlight. So yeah, if we look in there's still lots of cross hatching on all the cylinders, and it moves really good. I don't know if I can show this, but I'll try as best I can. Can you see that? Okay. So yeah, this moves free. That's hard to do. I feel like this has probably got really good compression, because I mean, they look literally like almost brand new. So yeah, anyway, there's this, and like I said, I'm gonna sell it as is. It's got the carburetors. So there's the carburetors. It's got all the cowling. It's got the mid cowl. It's got the top. It's got the wiring harness. I've got the binnacle mount for it. There's the other side of the head for the that port side head. Right. Top for it. There's a few odds and end pieces of, you know, the front cover plate. There's the binnacle top, and then I've got the binnacle right there, right, with the cables. And there is the wiring harness. There's the mid cowl right there. So here's the mid cowl, the lower unit, and it has a stainless steel prop. Land somewhere. Here's the top cowl. We got the prop tucked away somewhere, but yeah, you can see Yamaha 4-stroke, 100 horsepower. So yeah, that's in good shape. Here's the other side. I mean, some of the decal is maybe, you know, maybe a little off, but a little, you know, kind of worn. But there's that. It just needs to be cleaned up. Lower unit's in good shape. Everything's turning. Yeah. There's that, and then I'm sure where I put the prop, because I got a mess going on. Let me see if it's, I know it's over here, so. Wait, there's the prop. Is that the prop? No, that's not it. That's the other one. Well, where did I stick it? I stuck it somewhere. It's here. Somewhere. What did I do with it? It's here. Just don't know where. Oh, that's right. It didn't come in with the prop. But I do have the prop. Because the guy that owns it has, or that owned it, he's got the prop at his house he got, so just needs to get it from him. So yeah, anyway, I was gonna put it back together, but then I just decided to sell it as is. Mostly because I don't have an engine stand that's big enough to do this guy, but it's in really good shape. Like I said, there's the computer, there's your coils, a rectifier. It's got all the electronics. So somebody just pulled it because I guess it had a valve problem, I'm guessing, because they said, you know, well, everything is there, but you know, you have to get a port side head for it, which isn't too expensive. You know, running it's a pretty expensive motor. So anyway, there's that. Probably take some pictures, put it all online, and just hit me up if you're interested in buying it. Other than that, anyway, I got that one for sale, and we'll talk to you soon.